late in the evening, she's wondering what clothes to wear. She put on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turned to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Waalaikumsalam, Syahrial. It's time to go home now. I've got an aching head, so I give her the car keys and she helped me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. You look so blue tonight.